Hello, welcome back to AC 3D CAD. Today's tutorial is about learning how to create a Microsoft Windows logo by using Autocad 3D. Okay, let's start creating a new drawing file by clicking this drop-down arrow, hover over New, and click Drawing, and select ACAD 3D for Imperial Units, Open. Go back to the ribbon, click View, click Tile vertically, adjust the windows, and go to, make sure you're on parallel projection, go to Top View, select polyline, click anywhere, enter 0.5, move your cursor to the right and enter 4 units, 0.5 again, type C and enter to close. Go back to the ribbon and select Spline. Click in this corner, midpoint, and this end corner. Copy this one, move this here, enter. Copy this spline, and the same here, but first we have to rotate this one. Copy the spline, use that as base point, and click the end point and enter. I'm just going to explode the polyline. Type X and explode. Right click to repeat explode. Alright, so I'm just going to erase that. Delete, highlight that, and delete. I'm just going to move these two from endpoint to endpoint. Now I'm going to join segments. Move this one for, no, not yet, and join these other segments. Now extrude these objects by 4 units. I'm just going to rotate that for here. Go to Top View, move this one for 0.5, copy these two, Select the endpoint. Attach this here. Move this to for maybe 1.5 units. It's too much. Move that for 1 unit. Let me see. It looks good. All right. So go back to top view. Create layers. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, or maybe 5. And select colors by clicking that. Select orange. Okay. And the next one is blue. The next one is green. And the next one is yellow. Okay, change that layer to the orange layer. This one blue, green. You got 2 green layers. I have to change the color for that to yellow. There you go. And this one is yellow. Now I'm just gonna press L for line and click somewhere from the center. And go to visualize. Click this arrow here, or click the sun first. Adjust exposure setting. Turn on the environment. Use custom background. Click the drop down arrow and select gradient. Select this bottom color, maybe darker blue. And click OK. I'm just gonna turn off the grid. Adjust exposure. And close that. And from here, select spot and click the endpoint of your line. And bring it down. Click anywhere in line of the line and select intensity and enter 2. Enter again. To adjust the circumference of the light, you have to move these grids. This one is the fall off and this one is the hot spot. Go to top view. Just gonna adjust the light by moving it at the center. Alright. But as you can see, these two are facing or opening upwards. And this one here is opening downwards, so we have to rotate that. So go to home, click 3D rotate, select the objects, and click this circle here, and when it turns gold, turn it around for 180 degrees. Go to top view and do mirror, MI, type MI for mirror, enter. Select these objects and select mirror line, enter, and erase objects, say yes or click yes, and there you go. To smoothen the edges, just like this one here, we have to do fillet edge. So go back to the ribbon, select radius, enter 0.2, select loop, select the edge or this edge, select next, select accept, right click, enter, right click again to enter to accept, right click, fillet edge, select loop, select next, accept, right click, enter, and press enter to accept fillet. Loop again, select that edge, select next, accept, enter, and press enter again to accept. Same process. Loop, select that edge, select next, select accept, right click, enter, press enter to accept. Process. Loop, select edge, next, accept, enter, and press enter again to accept. Loop, let's delete that line and then change the direction or find the direction that looks good. Now we can select this face to be our next XY plane. Go to home, go to coordinates panel, click this drop down arrow and select this first one, the biggest rectangle. We are now facing the XY plane. Go to visual style control and select 2D wireframe. Type L for line and click somewhere here. Go to annotate, click this arrow for text style, change this to 0.75, apply, close, go to single line from the ribbon, type Microsoft, go back to the ribbon, click this arrow for textile and enter maybe 2. Close and select single line text again and just drag somewhere here and type Windows. Maybe we can change the size for this. Click this one here and click scale. Select existing and enter 1.5 or maybe, oh yeah, 1.5 will be good. Existing and type 1.75. There you go. We can move that. And go back to realistic. Go to home and go to Express Tools, locate Modify Text and click Explode. Explode this one, explode this one. Now we have to extrude. I'm just gonna erase that. Extrude, highlight the text, enter, and extrude for maybe 0.5. Type materials. I'm gonna go to metallic paint. I'm gonna choose glazed black for this color here. Oops, wait. I have to union this text. Now it's one object, and I have to do the same thing for the Microsoft Word. Now it is one object. Now we can go back to materials. So I'm gonna change this to glossy black and maybe reflective flaked reflected beige for Microsoft. Now that looks good. Let me see. Now this is 3D text. On your screen, go down to the lower left hand corner, click this window icon and click that one, type or search snipping tool. Click that. Click this drop down arrow, select rectangular snip and put your cursor over here and move it across, and you can save this file as PNG, GIF or JPEG. according to your need. I'm just gonna type here logo for Microsoft. Save. I'm just gonna replace the old one. And you can open this in Photoshop and edit more if you want to change the colors. Now we're done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment below. And please check the link for my website. See you again. Thanks. Bye-bye.